Hello dear friends, in this video I'll be making an Armenian cake. In a large bowl I use an immersion blender to blend the cottage cheese into a smoother paste-like consistency. I add sugar and vanilla sugar to the cottage cheese. I beat it with a mixer until smooth. Then I add eggs and sour cream and mix well again. In a separate bowl, I combine flour with baking powder. I gradually add this dry mix to the cheese mixture, kneading the dough. It should be soft, elastic, and not stick to your hands. I divide the dough into 5 equal parts and roll them into balls. I roll out each bowl into a layer to fit the pan size and prick it with a fork for even baking and to prevent puffing. I bake in a preheated oven until golden brown. Baking time and temperature will be listed below the video. Now for the cream. In a saucepan, I combine egg yolks, sugar, starch, and a bit of milk. I whisk thoroughly to avoid lumps. I gradually pour in the remaining milk, stirring constantly. I put the mixture over medium heat, stirring until it thickens. I remove it from heat and cool completely to room temperature. I cover it with plastic wrap, touching the surface to prevent skin formation. For the cream assembly, I beat soft butter until smooth. I add the custard base spoon by spoon, beating until smooth. Finally, I add vanilla extract and cognac. Time to assemble the cake. I trim the layers. On a cake board, I place the first layer and spread cream evenly. I repeat this with all layers. I frost the top and sides of the cake. I decorate with marshmallows, but you can use cake crumbs or grated chocolate. I refrigerate the cake for 6 to 8 hours to soak, preferably overnight. After this, it'll be perfectly tender and delicious. Enjoy. Bye!